Hey everybody, today is day 6 of our one Chrome extension a day that we are showcasing, and today I want to share TabCloud with you. TabCloud is a great tool to be able to save all of your tabs. If you notice, I've got several tabs up here, and oftentimes it gets really messy. But sometimes I just need to come back and I need to review those tabs, see what kind of information is there, and then that way I can go ahead and add it to my collections as needed. So let me show you the way TabCloud works. I'm going to go ahead and click on TabCloud here, and what it does is it automatically loads up, and if you notice, it has the same tabs that I have up here. They're all here in this collection. So I'm going to go ahead and name this my Tab Cloud Demo, and I will go ahead and click on the floppy disk here. Once I get the green check mark, that means it's good to go and we have saved our collection. Now, before I close this up and open it, I want to show you a couple of other features here. Let's look at some tabs here from December 19th. If I have this tab here that I want to go ahead and delete, I can go ahead and just move it straight to the trash can and delete that. Also, if you notice here where it says tweets, I have a scratch tab here that I can go ahead and move and put it and make it part of my TabCloud demo, and there it is, and it has opened up. So that's something that's really cool and neat, that you can move tabs within your collections. Very useful. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and close this up, and I have a new window here. I'm going to open up my TabCloud extension again, and notice that I have my TabCloud demo. Now, before I do this, what if I just want one tab? That's it, just one tab. What I can do is I can either center click or I can do a control click, and it will only open up that one tab as part of my collection. So that is something that's really cool and awesome about TabCloud, and I hope that you enjoy it and find it very useful. So again, guys, thank you very much for watching the video. If you like the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and don't forget to stay techie, my friends.